Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use GUI in AutoCAD Learn. Today we are going to see and use GUI in AutoCAD Learn. GUI means Graphical User Interface. AutoCAD lecture 3rd is see here. Today learn 4 important topics. See here. First is view cube, second is navigation bar, third is workspace, fourth is command prompt window. 4 point today discuss, learn deeply and clearly. Then at first, so let's see what are the GUI in AutoCAD Learn, how to easily use in AutoCAD. At first open AutoCAD software. He want to create new sketch workspace. Then at first open a AutoCAD software. Then okay, this is a workspace. This is our workspace. Open a AutoCAD software, and today 4 important point discuss here. At first point is view cube, second navigation bar, third workspace, fourth command prompt window. Okay, first point is view cube. This is a view cube. AutoCAD software open. This is a view cube. Second point is navigation bar. This is a navigation bar. First point is view cube, second navigation bar, and this point is a workspace. This space any 2D design created here. Workspace and command prompt window. This is a command prompt window. Any command learn here. At first Z, enter. This is a all command show here. This is point is a command prompt window. Okay, all 4 point discuss here. View cube, navigation bar, workspace, command prompt window. Then first is a view cube, second navigation bar, this is a workspace, and this point is a command prompt window. Next lecture 4th coming soon. All point discuss here clearly. Don't forget subscribe, like and share this channel, and new video is see at first notification reach. Okay guys, thank you.